Every time you use the toilet, the worst thing that can happen is when someone forgot to flush. So I made it flush with my phone. So, making a toilet that can connect to your phone. We need to start from the beginning of how toilet actually work. More specifically, the flushing mechanism. Because if you don't know that, then how are we supposed to make it able to connect to our phone and flush? So I'm gonna explain the flushing mechanism first. Now, it flushes by having a pump that spits water inside this container tank behind the toilet lid. And that's why you kind of see that block thing at the back of the toilet. Now that's filled with water. And once it's filled enough, it will be above the cap level. And the cap level is connected to the handle, which you pull or you turn or you push. I don't really know what type of toilet you have, but it's mostly the same. Once you do those actions, there will be a cap that's going to lift up, and since the water level is above that cap level, water will go in that pipe, and that pipe leads to the actual toilet, and then the actual toilet will flush everything down into the sewage system. That's basically how the flushing mechanism works. Now, we can put something in between to make it be able to connect to our phone, and basically control it with our phone from a press of a button on an app or on a website. I'm gonna move that specific things to Mr. Mustache, who's fixing the toilet right now. So, let's go. Oh wait, I forgot my earphone. Alright, let's go. Yo dude, Mr. Mustache, are you done fixing the toilet?
What?
I need you to explain the toilet thing. Basically how we're gonna make it.
Well, I guess I'm here, so I'm gonna explain, but I gotta teleport somewhere.
So for this build, we're just gonna use an ESP8266 and a servo motor. That's basically it. Now, we just use those two because the ESP8266 can basically make Wi-Fi connect to our phone, and we could use Blink IoT or a website. That's decided later on which one's easier. The servo motor will be acting as the pulley, the handle that Cliff the Turtle already said, that's going to enable the cap to be able to flush the toilet. So that's about it. That's how it works, simple. And we just put the entire contraption inside the toilet box thingy. Now, how we're going to make it waterproof is really simple. Just cover it and stick it on the wall where the water don't hit it, or just open the lid and basically make a new lid. So that's about it. Oh. Yeah, oh my head hurts.
Okay, so guys, the thing is done. Now, all we gotta do is test it in the showcase and show some people that we can flush the toilet anywhere around the world. So, let's do it. No way! No way! No, what? I'm literally outside of the toilet right now. Look at the toilet right there. That's the toilet. This is me. I'm gonna press this button. You're gonna record me press the button, and then we're gonna go there, okay? 3, 2, 1, press. Look there.
Oh, it's
Oh
flushing!
my god, it's actually flushing. Again! And I'm gonna press the button again. Boop. That's gonna stop. stop right there.
Wow.
Wow, this is phenomenal. Wait, guys, wait. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal right there. I can flush anywhere around the room. So my cameraman has just peed on there, right? My cameraman, very good job. Now, there's these reactions over there. They want to see what it's about to, my best invention.
Okay.
The phone flushing toilet. So, I press it here, the button, and it flushes. Then I can pause the phone off. It's gonna be off. There you go. So what do you guys you wanna guys have this in your toilet right now? Like you think it's really good and
No, I think your cameraman needs it. Maybe if you don't have a hand, like you don't have hands. Or
but you need the phone
You
to
see?
maybe we can make it voice activated, right?
Yeah, that's about it. I'm sitting on the toilet, and to be honest, the servo motor wasn't actually glued. It took off, but then I put tape, like masking tape on it, and it worked. So do not glue your Arduino and anything to the side of porcelain, because that's gonna slip down. Luckily the ESP was outside, so yeah, I guess I'm so safe. But anyways, that's a lesson learned. And yeah, the toilet was a pretty amazing thing, but I was forced to take it out because, well, yeah, whatever. I was just forced to take it out. Anyways, that's a pretty good video. If you like it, please subscribe and leave a like, because my channel is kind of dying, I think. Like the last video didn't really do so well, so yeah. Subscribe, leave a like, and see you next time. I'll catch some things later. I try to make a new intro. Wait, hold up. New outro. I'll catch you later. Yeah, whatever.